Hello students, welcome to the another lesson of rounding off to decimal fraction. Let us see what is the rule for correct up to 2 decimal places. So now students, after rounding off the numbers to correct 1 decimal place value, let us discuss how to round off a decimal number correct up to 2 decimal places. So for that, once again the rule is same, but the only thing, earlier when you have to round off the decimal number to 1 place value, that time we were considering the 100 place. Now since we have to round off to 2 decimal place values, we will consider its thousands place digit. So the first rule here written on the screen is when the digit in the thousand place is less than 5, then the thousand place and the following digits are replaced by 0. So as we were looking into the correct decimal up to 1 place value, that time we have looked the digit at 100 place. Now you have to check out the 1000 place value digit. So if your 1000 place value digit is less than 5, then the 1000 place value and the digits after it, that means following it, will reduce to 0. For example, the number here is 189.434. So since the digit at thousands place in this number is 4. So 4 is less than 5. Since 4 is less than 5, so we will reduce this 4 to 0. And as you can see in this number, there is no digit following after 4. So that means the round off of this decimal number is 189.430. Clear students? Coming to the second part, if the digit at 1000 place will be greater than or equals to 5, then what will be the condition? So yes, the second rule says when the digit in the 1000 place is equals to or greater than 5, then the digit in the 100th place is increased by 1. So now here, since 1000 place digit is greater than 5, that means what will happen? The 100 place digit will increase by 1 and the following digits, that means the digits after 100 place, will become 0. So here the example which I have taken is number 27.987. The digit at 1000 place is 7. And since 7 is greater than 5, that means the digit at 100 place, that is 8, which is 8. The digit at 100 place is 8. So it will increase by 1. So the 8 becomes 9 and 7 will become 0. So the round off for 27.897 is 27.990. I hope the rule is clear to all of you. Now let us take some examples from your book exercise for better understanding of the concept related to decimal round off to correct 2 decimal place values. Now students, let's take another question from your book exercise which is related. So now you have to round off to the correct 2 places of decimal. Earlier we have done 1 places of decimal. Now you have to take 2 place of decimal numbers. So here when we were rounding off to 1 place value, that time we were considering the digit at 100th place. Now since we have to consider up to 2 decimal place value, which means we will consider the digit at thousands place. The digit at thousands place. So let's take the first number and the number is 17.095. 17.095. So what is the digit here? So let's start the solution. Very first you will write the thousands digit. The thousand digit is 5, and since 5 is equals to 5, since 5 is equals to 5, which means the round off for 17.095 is equals to, what is the round off for this? Since the value is equal, it means the digit at 100 place will increase by 1 and the following digit, that means this number 5, will become 0. So if I increase 9 by 1, it will become 10. So 10, 1 will be forwarded here and this will be replaced by 0. So the round off is 17.100. This 0, that we have replaced 5 by 0. Clear, students? So the round off for 17.095 is 17.100. Clear, students? Let's take the second example from your exercise question only. 39.337. Once again, what is the digit at 1000 place in this number? It is 7. So very first you will write thousands, the thousands digit. So the digit at thousands place is 7. Then since 7 is greater than 5, since it is greater than 5, which means the round off for 39.337 will be, what it will be? Yes, since once again the digit at 1000 place is greater than 5, means the digit at 100 place will increase by 1 and this number, or you can say this 1000 place digit, will be replaced by 0. So the round off will become 39.34 and 0. So the round off for 39.337 is 39.340. This is your round off up to correct 2 decimals. The same number you can also write it in this form, 39.34. That means you can just remove the 0 from the number. Similarly, in the first part also you can write it as 17.1 also. 1 or 1 0 because we need correct up to 2 places, so we will write 17.10. Now moving forward to the third part. The third part says 983.389. So we have to round off this number now. Once again the digit at thousands place. So the thousands place digit is 9, and once again, just like the previous question, 9 is greater than 5. Here 7 was greater than 5, now 9 is greater than 5. Since 9 is greater than 5, so the round off for 983.389, what it will become, students? Yes, this digit will become 0 and the digit at hundredths place will increase by 1. So it will become 983.390, or you can write it as 983.39. So this is how you can round off any decimal number nearest to 1, nearest to 1 decimal place value and nearest to 2 decimal place values. I hope the explanation, the rules and the understanding of the questions were clear to all of you. Thank you for the lesson, students.